My friends, AI assistants are great for ideas, summaries, and explanations. But when you need fresh web data, things usually get messy. Whether you're hunting for business leads, product pricing, or competitor research, you typically have to visit multiple sites, copy-paste information, and manually clean it into a usable format. My name is Daniel, and today we are taking a look at Octoparse MCP Server, a tool that lets AI assistants access live, structured web data directly inside the chat. So instead of using AI only as a chatbot, you can connect it to the platform and ask it to collect real data for you. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Mates, Octoparse is basically a bridge between your AI assistant and live web data. Instead of setting everything up manually, you describe the task, and the agent can use our service to collect the data in a structured format. And what makes this useful, guys, is that you do not need to code a scraper, jump between tabs, or copy and paste everything by hand. Octoparse works with MCP-compatible tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, and more. Here, the platform is connected to Claude as a connector. Once everything is set up, the agent can search templates, run extraction tasks, and export structured data directly from the chat. Folks, the service also includes ready-made templates for workflows like Google Maps leads, Amazon product data, YouTube comments, and real estate listings. So instead of building everything from scratch, your assistant can choose the right template and collect useful data for real work. Alright guys, let's see how this works in practice. First, you create an Octoparse account. Then you go to the setup page, copy the server config, and add it to a compatible tool, like Claude or another assistant that supports this kind of connection. The setup takes just a couple of minutes. You add the server, approve the connector, and after that the assistant can use the available Octoparse tools directly from the chat. Once everything is connected, you can describe what kind of data you need in simple language. For example, I can ask Claude to find pet cafes in Los Angeles and collect useful details about them. Mates, from there, Claude chooses which Octoparse template fits the task. In this case, it selects the Google Maps contact scraper, because we are looking for local businesses and their contact details. So instead of opening Google Maps manually and copying every listing one by one, the scraping task starts directly from the chat. And this is the part I really like. The information comes back inside Claude, not just somewhere in a separate dashboard. We can see the collected businesses organized into a clean table, with details like business names, ratings, websites, phone numbers, and other available fields. Claude also starts making the data easier to understand right away. It can point out some of the strongest options from the list, so we are not just looking at raw scraped results. We already get a quick sense of which businesses might be more useful to contact. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now we can take it one step further and ask Claude to create a table with the best options. For example, it can show which businesses look most promising, explain why they stand out, and suggest what the first outreach message should focus on. Folks, and there is even a draft outreach email button, which makes the workflow feel more practical. After collecting the data and choosing the best leads, you can quickly move toward writing a message, instead of starting from a blank page. So the main point here is that you are not just asking Claude for a general answer, you are asking it to choose the right Octoparse template, launch a real scraping task, bring the data back into the chat, organize it, and help you turn that data into a real next step. Guys, the platform also has a large template library, and here we can see that it is not limited to just one type of data. There are ready-made templates for different workflows, and the icons make it easy to understand what each one is connected to. For example, you can see templates for local business data, social media, e-commerce, jobs, reviews, and other use cases. So instead of building every scraper from zero, you can browse the library, find a template that matches your task, and use it as a starting point. This is helpful because it makes the whole process much more beginner-friendly. You do not need to understand the technical side of web scraping before you can start collecting structured data. And if you already know what kind of data you need, you can simply search through the templates and choose the workflow that fits your goal. Mates, overall the process is simple. Connect Octoparse to your assistant, ask for the data you need, approve the tool call, and get structured results back in the chat. So guys, here is the bottom line. Octoparse MCP Server makes your AI assistant much more practical. Instead of only asking for advice, you can ask for live web data and get structured results back in the chat. It can help with lead generation, product research, job listings, competitor analysis, SEO, social media research, and other workflows where clean data matters. Of course, it will not work perfectly on every website, but with ready-made templates and MCP support, it makes web data extraction much easier to use. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.